I'm never holding in a sneeze again after hearing this. A guy in his 30s felt a sneeze coming on while he was driving, so he pinched his nose and closed his mouth trying to stop it, and was later taken to a hospital in Dundee in severe pain. Doctors say when they touched his neck, they heard a cracking sound. Turns out he'd torn a hole in his throat, and scans showed a 2mm tear in his windpipe. Medics say if both your nose and mouth are closed when you sneeze, the pressure in your upper airways can increase by 20 times. So they're advising, don't do that. A throat tear is rare, but it can be potentially life-threatening. The guy who had a history of allergies and throat irritation didn't need surgical treatment, so was kept in hospital for observation. He was later discharged, and scans showed the tear did heal.